Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're actually out on the balcony of the Hanover Preston Hollow. The Hanover Preston Hollow. We had just took a look at their beautiful one bedroom. This is what it looks like inside. You can watch the full videos that we just showed. But now we're outside on the balcony. Now I just want to talk to you a little bit about the area. The area is a perfect area. So this is Preston Hollow. This is kind of, I would call it mid Dallas, or even North Dallas if you would. It's a you can see all the trees that are here. It's a very well developed area. So beautiful. The houses in here, I mean, even just a teeny little 3-bedroom would start probably low millions. It's a very desirable area. This would be a perfect area if you want to be a little bit away from the noise of downtown or even uptown, and you want a little more luxury, a little more privacy. You're only about 15 minutes from downtown. That's that direction. You're super close to Love Field, which is over there. Not very far, just on Mockingbird, really close. And then to the DFW airport, you're about 30 minutes away. If you keep going this direction north, that gets to Addison and even Plano and Frisco. So this is a good, somewhat in-between area to be in, especially if you have to do multiple areas. If you visit a lot of places in Dallas and you want a central location, this is really it. Also, there's a lot to do. There's, in walking distance, there are some shops and restaurants that are right over there. Just probably about 4 or 5 minutes walking, but really driving is kind of where it's at around here. So you could drive quickly to some really boutique restaurants and shops that are here. They cater to this area almost like none other. I used to live in this area. I know it really well. It's just a delightful, and I feel very secure and safe area too. So if you want more information about the area or about the Hanover Preston Hollow, send me a text. Just use the number below. I'd be happy to help you with getting you that information. Hey, now we're going to go see the 2-bedroom model here at the Hanover. Let's go see that right now.